Welcome to Bilex 7. This home in downtown Tokyo is a haven designed to inspire at every turn, with each room offering a unique experience to enrich the daily lives of its inhabitants. From the tranquil bamboo courtyard to the thoughtfully designed interiors, each space encourages reflection, creativity, and connection with nature. The home's design, with its balance of privacy and openness, creates an ideal environment for fostering a deeper appreciation of life and its possibilities. The entrance serves as the first point of inspiration. Upon entering, the southern courtyard with its tranquil bamboo grove immediately catches the eye, bringing a sense of calm and connection to nature. This visual moment sets the tone for the entire home, where the presence of the outdoors is always felt close at hand. The simplicity and natural light of the entrance make it a peaceful transitional space, offering a moment of calm before entering the rest of the home. The first-floor living room, with its calm formality, is designed for deep contemplation and focused inspiration. The interplay of light and shadow, softened by the deep roof above, creates a tranquil atmosphere, perfect for quiet moments of reading, writing, or mindful conversation. Horizontal slit windows maintain the privacy of the space, yet connected to the outdoors, ensuring natural light fills the space without sacrificing intimacy. Moving upstairs, the second living room offers a contrast with a more casual and airy feel. Connected to the rooftop balcony, this space is ideal for inspiration through relaxation and openness. The balcony provides a new perspective of the city and the sky, inviting moments of daydreaming and creative thinking. Here, the couple can enjoy the freedom of living outdoors while remaining sheltered, a place where ideas can flow easily in a space that feels limitless. The study overlooking the main courtyard offers the perfect environment for focused work or creative pursuits. The view of the bamboo grove provides a calming backdrop that promotes concentration and introspection. The natural beauty of the outdoors is a reminder of balance and serenity, making this space a sanctuary for artistic and intellectual inspiration. Even the bedrooms are designed with inspiration in mind. Positioned facing the main courtyard, they offer the perfect blend of comfort and serenity. The presence of bamboo groves outside the windows creates a sense of peace, ensuring restful sleep combined with an environment that fosters awareness and creativity. In this Tokyo home, there are 2 bathrooms, each carefully designed to complement the home's serene and inspiring atmosphere. Both bathrooms are strategically placed for convenience and comfort, offering a private sanctuary where residents can relax and recharge. The first bathroom is located on the ground floor, near the entrance and living room, making it easily accessible to residents and guests. The second bathroom is located upstairs, adjacent to the more casual upstairs living room and bedroom. This bathroom has a brighter and more airy feel, reflecting the relaxed atmosphere of the second floor. The upstairs bathroom serves as a more private retreat, where couples can enjoy a moment of peaceful relaxation at the end of the day, with nature still playing a major role in the experience. This home is not just a place to live, but a source of ongoing inspiration for its residents. Every room encourages a different type of creative thinking, offering a harmonious blend of functionality and beauty. Whether it's through quiet reflection, casual relaxation, or focused work, the house is designed to inspire in every moment, making daily life a richer and more meaningful experience.